guys, I'm Blake Marshall. I'm a professional freeride skier on the Freeride World Tour. I'm super stoked to introduce the freeride program at Remarks this season. I'll be leading the program as head coach, and we'll be learning everything that there is to do with freeride, from competitions to technique. I've been skiing on Remarks since I was a little kid. It's just been great for training and my development towards where I am now as a professional freeride skier. The terrain up the Remarkables is really sick for freeride. We've got the chutes, we've got the weather station, really good to access and great to learn on, great to progress your skills. To enter this program, you've got to be a competent skier and be able to ski all over the mountain. I'm really passionate about freeride and I'm stoked to share it with you guys this winter. See you all there.